I'm back on this Ford Ecoboost. I just got this message. Cylinder 5 misfire. So I'm gonna have to figure out which is cylinder 5, and probably it's the coil, if not the spark plug, but I'm pretty sure it's the coil. So cylinder 1 is on the left, and it goes 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 in the back. So cylinder 5 will be right there. This will be 4, 5, and 6 in the back. Very easy. And then 1, like I said, will be this one first here, then 2, and then 3 in the back over there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch 5 with 4, the coils, and see if then number 4 is gonna misfire. So the way you do it, you push this red tab out, and then you push the middle down, and it slides out. This red, then you push this, and then maybe with a thick screwdriver you twist here, and it should come out. And then with 5/16 you unscrew this. It's tight, and this is tight. Great, it broke. That's nice. That was rusted. Wow, can't believe it that it broke. Oh well. So the other one, of course, came out fine, but it's a little bit rusted, as you can see, compared to this one. So I'm gonna try to self-tap it. It's kind of loose a little bit, so let's see what's gonna happen. So you gotta be careful because it was going into the wrong place, you see, the wrong spot. So I'm gonna try to drill without the coil on it, right there, and then I'm gonna try to put the self-tapping screw. It's not working. The screw is way too hard. It started a little bit, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't want to crack this case. Any of you have any ideas, please let me know what to do. Thank you. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on that screw like this. So you push them in until you hear like a click, and then you push the red tab in, and that's it. So you push it until you hear a click, and then you push this red tab in. That's it. So hopefully this will sit like this. I don't know what to do. It's the next day, and I was thinking maybe I'm gonna put double side tape in there. Have a piece of double side tape, see if that works. But so far the code did not come back, and I drove a few hours. I'm gonna drive more today, and we'll see. So as you can see, I'm getting a Misfire cylinder 4, which is this one. So that's the one that was on 5. So that means that coil is acting up, so I'm gonna have to change it. And that's how I test the coils. Thank you for watching. By the way, it's been, I think, a few days since I did the switch, if not a few weeks. So thank you again.